friends and welcome to Art from Start. Please do like, share and subscribe. As I have promised you in my last video कि मैं आप लोगों की ड्राइंग्स इसमें शेयर करूंगी, तो ये रही उन बच्चों की ड्राइंग्स जिन्होंने प्रैक्टिस कर मुझे भेजी है. If you want to see your drawings in the next video, please share it. Today we will learn to draw things that starts from letter C. So the first thing we'll make is C for cap. And here we go. After we have finished the drawing, now it's time to color it. Up next we'll draw is C for cone. Now as usual, we'll add color to it. Now let's draw together C for cup, a cup. We are done. Now the next is C for cat. We'll draw a cat. And this is how my meow looks after coloring. And the last one is caterpillar. C for caterpillar. In all these drawings we are making, you can add any color you want. Color is not the foundation. So color it according to your choice. Now all together we have a cap, a cone, cup, cat and a caterpillar. So do practice it and see you in my next class.